In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can perform a soft factory reset on your Roku TV or streaming device. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. This is a great troubleshooting step because it restarts the system without deleting any of your apps, accounts, or personal settings. But essentially, go ahead and grab your Roku remote and press the following buttons in order. Begin by pressing the home button 5 times. I'm going to do that right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then go ahead and press the fast forward button 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And the rewind button 2 times. So 1, 2. This is going to open up a secret screen that looks something like this, and you're looking towards the very bottom right of the screen, and you're going to see a little soft factory reset option right here. Simply go ahead and select that. This option will power off and restart your Roku device without removing any of your data. You'll see a code displayed on the screen. Enter in that code using your remote and hit OK to confirm, and then your Roku will automatically restart. Whenever the device does return to the home screen, test your apps and menus to see if any performance issues have been improved. But that is it. That is how you can perform a soft factory reset on your Roku device. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it really does help the channel, it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.